Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and I want to talk about Tesla stock. It's a question that a lot of people are asking, and it's what's going on with Tesla. I have it right back there. It experienced a pretty solid pullback today. It is now trading behind the 180-day EMA. But before we get started with today's video, I wanted to remind you that tomorrow we drop our dialed and dedicated collection with the Shop TechBud site. It's the third link down below. It drops at 12:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if you guys want to get some of your fuzzy sweaters like this and these dialed and dedicated tank tops, and again, they drop tomorrow afternoon. And I'm sure a lot of you guys heard the news when it comes down to these EV rumors with Apple. Not only are there rumors about Apple getting into the EV market, but Apple is also establishing very impressive strategic partners when it comes down to getting into this market. Also, Elon Musk did go out and openly say that he supposedly has approached and spoken to Steve Cook, which is the Apple CEO, about Apple acquiring Tesla. But you guys can let me know in the comment section, do you guys think that this conversation is ever something that Elon and Steve Cook have actually had? Now, if you can't manage the red days, you haven't earned the green days. And we've been absolutely killing it with Tesla. And today I lost a little bit over $2,900, and a big portion of that came from Tesla just because of how aggressive I was trading it. One of the things that I do want to talk about is Tesla on the technical side. So this is more for day traders or short-term swing traders. Tesla is pulling back right now. This should not come as a surprise. And if you guys look at the 180-day 4-hour time frame, Tesla is now trading below the 180-day 4-hour EMA. And the reason that this is so important is if you guys look at that specific time frame, you can see that Tesla has been making these ascending higher highs and higher lows, and it does pull back from time to time, especially if you're a long-term investor. These pullbacks shouldn't scare you. They're part of the game. They're healthy pullbacks. What I really want you to pay attention to is if we go sub 600, it breaks below previous support levels, and then we can see it pulling back closer to the SMA line on that 180-day 4-hour time frame, which is closer to that 550 price point. Tesla, due to its addition to the S&P 500, I feel has lost some of its momentum when it comes down to leading up to that specific date. But one of the things that I think that you should also take into consideration is that a lot of these funds have not fully added their position, and it would only make sense that those specific funds will only continue to buy more as time goes on. Like many of you guys heard on Friday, Tesla broke the overall world record when it comes down to the most shares ever traded intraday, and it does not surprise me that due to its overall performance that it had on Friday, following up with Monday and Tuesday, it gave back some of its profits. So therefore, I'm still someone that's really looking forward to seeing what Tesla has to offer. I have my series of alerts set up on Tesla if it breaks below those specific levels. If we begin to pick right back up, break above that EMA line on that 4-hour time frame, then that's where I'll begin to add a little bit more to my position size. As of right now, as you guys see, I'm still gonna just focus on holding those 50 shares. So if it continues to drop, then guess what? Yes, I still have some skin in the game, but I can buy more due to the buying power that I have with my specific account. So please make sure that you watch your position size, especially if you're not someone that's going long on Tesla. If you're going long on Tesla, then as it pulls back, it only makes sense that you're going to be buying more. So all power to you. And the last thing that I want to cover is, again, never be afraid to manage your risk. Today, I definitely did give back a little bit more than I wanted to, but this will only better prepare me for the challenges that tomorrow presents. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. And let me know in the comment section, do you think Apple getting established in the EV market is something that is going to overall affect the hype and on top of that, the credibility when it comes down to Tesla stock? There was certain news that was shared shortly after Apple announced its interest and rumors in the EV market that Apple has a long history of credible customer valuation in comparison to Tesla, where it's viewed as more of a hype valuation. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I hope and wish you guys nothing but the best, but like we always say, it's better to be prepared than to be surprised. So please just set up a plan that manages your risk and that you take into consideration the profit potential versus the downside. I hope that we earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, again, the dialed and dedicated collection drops tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Make sure you also set your alarms for our daily live trading session if you're part of our Learn Plan Profit group. And again, all those links are provided for you down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.